As you can tell by the title, I was selected by B. Marie here on YouTube for a mass collaboration. So I'm featuring her on my channel as well as some of the other girls selected. I'll link everyone's channel or video down below. Please check these ladies out. They are amazing, especially B. Marie for putting together this massive collab and having us ladies support one another here on YouTube. And yes, I know New Year's Eve is over, but we wanted to get this collaboration out for everyone to see. This was the first episode and there'll be many more to come, so be on the lookout for B. Marie's channel for more collaboration videos. Thanks again, Bree, for this opportunity, and to all the other girls who featured me on their channel as well. Yes, I'm giving you some off-the-shoulder glow realness for New Year's Eve. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tiffany, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this New Year's Eve makeup look that I'm wearing. It's pretty dramatic, so if you don't want to go all out for New Year's, then you probably want to just skip this video. But for my girls who want to be bold and take some makeup risks for New Year's Eve, you'll love this look. New Year's Eve to me says glitter and fun, so I decided to go with some blues and some silver glitter for this look. We're going to get right into it, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. For this look, I'm going to start priming my eyes with the Tarte Tape Shape in the color medium. I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend it in. I'm going to set it with some Coverfx loose setting powder. For my first transition color, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and use the color Briana. This color is pretty close to my skin tone, but I'm using it because it'll help the other colors that I'm going to put on blend a little bit better. For my next color, I'm going to take this blue-green shade here from the JaclynHill palette. I'm going to focus most of the color on the outer V here. I'm bringing this color pretty high up to the brow bone. So I want the overall look to be kind of blown out. Now that we've gotten that blended in, I'm going to go in with this color from the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to take this color and pack it right here on the outer V. I'm going to go in with a Sigma Buff and Blend brush to blend out the dark blue. For the lid color, I'm going to take this shade here from the Magic palette. To blend in the edges, I'm going to take this color called Aja from the Magic palette. Now this wouldn't be a New Year's Eve look without topping it off with some glitter. So I'm going to use this Stila Magnificent Metal in the color Diamond Dust. I'm going to be using the Mykonos lashes by Lilly Lashes today. To deepen up the look just a little bit, I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and add it right to the outer V. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Once your face is looking nice and ashy, then you know it's time for foundation. I'm going to use the MakeupForever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm in the color Y455. And since we're going to be partying all night long, I'm going to use a concealer that I know will last through the night. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Tape Shape in the color Tan. Before I go in with any powders, I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus. I'm going to set my under eyes with Sephora Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. For a little extra coverage, I'm going to set the highlighted areas with the Coverfx Loose Setting Powder. Next, you want to dust off the excess powder. I'm going to set the rest of my face as well with Toffee Peach. I'm going to contour using Bahama Mama by TheBalm. I'm going to contour my nose with that same powder. While my nose contour bakes, I'm going to clean up the contour around my jawline. For blush, I'm going to take this one here from the e.l.f. palette. Before I add my highlight, I'm going to brush the bake away. For highlighter, I'm going to use Bronze Glow by Bobbi Brown. I'm going to keep the bottom lash line pretty simple since we have so much going on the eyes. So I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and line my waterline. I'm going to smudge that down just a little bit for a smoky effect. And to blend out the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the JaclynHill palette and use that blue-green shade. Since the eyes are pretty busy, I'm going to go in with a nude lip. I'm using Knock on Wood by Dose of Colors. To make this lipstick a little bit more wearable, I'm going to line my lips with Cork lip liner. And to set everything in place, I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus by MAC. To complete the look, I'm gonna add some glitter hairspray. This one I mentioned in my favorites video. It's the IGK Strobing Glitter Hairspray. Alright, that completes this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Like it, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. If you decide to recreate this look or do something similar for New Year's Eve, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I'd love to see your recreations. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.